Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware. This includes the city of Wilmington, Salem County in southern New Jersey until 6:15 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Arden to Delaney Corner and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near East Point around 5:30 p.m., Oak Creek and Sycamore around 5:35 p.m., and Oxbridge around 5:40 p.m., Quinton and Woodstown around 5:45 p.m., Alloway around 5:50 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, and away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle County, Delaware, and Salem County, New Jersey.